Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafty Cue. So today I want to show you this beautiful centerpiece that I made. It was so easy, it was very budget friendly, and I pretty much got most of the items from the Dollar Tree. And again, this was very quick to make, and I think it looks beautiful, especially for the price. So if you are interested in learning how I made this centerpiece, stay tuned and let's get started. So the items that you need in order to create the centerpiece are these two glass bowls. They come from the Dollar Tree. You also need these candlestick holders, and you need 4 of them. I did mine with 4 of these, but if you want your centerpiece shorter or taller, you can do that. You just need to purchase more of these. And then I want to have some crystals hanging from mine, so I have these crystals right here. And actually these I got from Amazon. So you need those as well. But the centerpiece also looks pretty nice without the crystals as well. So it just depends on how you want your centerpiece to look. Because I've already made enough of these for my purpose, I'm not going to actually glue this down. But you will need to have some type of strong glue. So I would not go with hot glue because it will not hold for very long periods of time. So you need something stronger. So what I used was the clear Gorilla Glue because it's glass. I didn't want any of the glue to dry and show like white on it because some of the glue I have does do that, but the clear Gorilla Glue does work very well with this. So the first step is to, and actually you have to do this centerpiece in sections because you have to give it time to dry. So the first thing I did was take 2 of the candlesticks. I took one upside down and I just glued it here on the top, and then try and make it as even as possible on top. So I sat and I actually put like a book on top and let that dry, and I actually let it dry overnight. And then I also did the same thing with the other 2. And then I let them dry overnight with books on top. So once those 2 are actually dried, I actually took and added glue right here. And I glued it to the top of this bowl. And I did the same thing for the other bowl. Sorry guys, because it's not glued. I'm just trying to show you. So then once those 2 are dried, make sure they're really, really dry. I took the entire thing and I glued it on top of each other. And again, I put a book on top of this and let it sit overnight again to make sure that was completely dry. And then once I had that all done, let me move this out the way and show you what I did for the flower part. So for the flower piece, so normally like people actually use like the styrofoam balls. I didn't want to spend the money to do it, so I kind of cheated in a way, and it probably would actually look a lot better if I did use the styrofoam ball. But again, for my purpose, I just took a bundle of flowers. As you can tell here, I took a bundle of flowers, and these are the flowers that are bendable, and I got these on Amazon, and I love these flowers because they're so easy to work with and they look realistic. So I just gathered, I think I took about 30 of these. I gathered them together and I just tied a rubber band and just bent the stems up so that way it would actually sit on top of the bowl. Again, the styrofoam ball, doing it that way of sticking the flowers in the ball, it would probably make it a little bit more even. This, I had to actually play around with it to kind of get into like a ball form shape. But, it's pretty much up to you. And as far as the crystals, I just measured how long I want the crystals to be. And the ones that I purchased from Amazon, they have the little hook on the end, like this. And I just opened up one of the hooks, and I just hooked it on top of the bowl. And that way I can slide them over and, position them to the way, I like. And that is it, guys. It was pretty easy, pretty simple, very budget friendly. And you know, I made a few of these. I actually made about I made about 10 of these, and it only took me like, you know, like 3 days to do that. So make sure you guys give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.